Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn off advanced tracking and fingerprinting protection on your iPhone iOS 18. So if you want to do that, you have to simply watch this video completely. So if you first of all you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. So first of all I will tell you what is advanced tracking and fingerprinting protection. Basically it is a feature in Safari which allows you to track your fingerprinting protection, and it will track your privacy, and it will be related to all links you click on, private browsing or all kind of browsing. So if you turn this feature off, your fingerprinting protection and tracking will be also be turned off. So I will recommend you to do not turn off this feature. So if you want to turn this off feature, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to look for Safari, and you have to simply click on Safari. And after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on advanced, here you have to simply click on advanced tracking and fingerprinting protection, and after that you have to simply click on off, and this will be off. And after all you turn this off, your fingerprinting protection will not be enabled. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.